Hey everyone, David C. Anderson here, coming at you from the Knife Center. Right now we're running our year-end clearance sale and we have got a ton of items that are marked down to some very great prices. I've pulled just a small sampling of some of the stuff that we've got marked down right now. Let's take a look. The first item I've got to show you is an excellent titanium frame lock from Ontario, and this is the Cerberus. It features a 3 3/4 inch blade of D2 tool steel with an excellent flat grind. Overall, this is an extremely solidly built folder with a great blade shape for EDC, with plenty of length to get big jobs done. The lockup is nice and solid, and we've got an excellent reversible pocket clip for left or right-handed carry. Next up, we've got the Fox USA-made Vitali folding knife. This is an excellent workhorse EDC, made in America with 154 cm steel. There's a ton of different handle color options available, as well as different blade shapes. This one is the sheep's foot version with a combo edge. Next up, we've got a collaboration between Brous Blades and TJ Schwartz, and this is the Icon Flipper. As is typical of Jason Brous, this features stone-washed D2 tool steel, as well as some very stylish looking aluminum handles. The locking system is sort of a hybrid, somewhere between a frame lock and a liner lock. It looks really good. This is another knife that has multiple handle color options available, as well as a few different blade finishes, including this stone-washed finish, as we mentioned before, as well as some black finishes. The lockup is nice and solid, and overall this is a nice, slim, and stylish EDC from two knife-making icons. Next up, we've got a knife model well on its way to becoming a new classic, the Southern Grind Bad Monkey. This particular version features Jade Ghost green G10 handle scales and a Tanto-shaped blade profile with 14C28N steel. This is a quality USA-made knife that can go toe-to-toe with any of the big dogs. It feels great, locks up great, and looks great as well. Next up, we've got something a little bit unusual from Spyderco, and this is the Spyderco Friction Folder. As the name suggests, there's no locking mechanism with this knife. It's opened with the spine tab right here, and held in place by your hand while you're holding the knife. The blade itself is a drop point profile, full flat ground from VG10 steel, a trait it shares with many great Spydercos. It opens and closes easily, one-handed. G10 handle scales provide traction, and it even comes with a nice pocket slip with a clip attached for easy everyday carry. Next up, we've got another non-locking folding knife, and this is the Yunzi from Bestech. This particular knife is a slip joint, and even though it shares construction with a lot of classic blades, this is a fully modern and well thought out design. One of the nice touches on this knife is the finger choil right here. Since there is no lock on this knife, there's always the risk of the knife closing, and because you hold the knife like so with your finger right there, even if the blade were to somehow disengage, your finger is going to keep it from traveling further and cutting you. Overall, this is a very usable EDC. We've got a couple different colors available on this knife as well. An S35 VN steel with a full flat grind and a continuously curved edge for excellent slicing capability. We've also got a ton of Bark River fixed blades that are marked down, and this is just one of them. This is the Dan Taupe Hawk. Not only is this knife stylish, but it's also built to perform. The A2 tool steel is convex ground for a very durable edge, and the blade shape itself is inspired by traditional Scandinavian patterns. Got a nice brass collar here for extra dose of style, and it is a full tang knife, but it is a hidden tang knife as well, which means as you hold the micarta here, you're not going to have your hands on any metal, avoiding potential hot spots. If you're looking for an American-made Bushcraft knife at a great price, check out the Landi Knives Bushcraft. The blade steel here is 01 with a wickedly sharp Scandi grind, which makes it a shoe-in for those Bushcraft tasks. The handles on this particular knife are Cocobolo, and while they're a little bit thinner than a lot of traditional Bushcraft knives, it still fills the hand very well. Both this knife and the Bark River we just showed you feature a high-quality leather sheath made in America. If your taste in outdoor fixed blades runs more towards the survival-oriented, we've got a ton of great ESEE models that are marked down right now, including a bunch of 3s, a bunch of SE4s, and Azulas. This is a great opportunity to pick up an ESEE at a really good price. Some versions of the SE3 that we have marked down you can even get for less than $100 right now. This knife is a staple in the survivalist circles, thanks to either micarta or G10 handles, and that excellent drop point blade in 1095 steel. So this is just a very small selection of all the great items that we've got marked down right now. If you want to get your hands on any of these or see what other great items we've got for sale, click the link in the description below to head on over to KnifeCenter.com.